If the word ends in a blank ya and there is vertical fatha before it, there is no change of sound at the stop. Example, Aba is read Aba. Ending ta, it changes to ha with sukoon. Example, قوة is read قوة. If the word ends in blank ya and the sign preceding it is double fatha, then ya changes to alif and double fatha to simple fatha. Example, Duhan is read Duha. If the word ends in a blank alif, but there is no double fatha before it, there is no change in sound at the stop. Example, Tahtadu is read Tahtadu. Blank alif with double fatha before it changes to fatha and alif remains blank. Example, Juz'an is read Juz'a. Raqiban is read Raqiba.